dupatta you have to cut it in this neck. You have to use this. So you have to cut it. So the voice also appear and the dupatta and the chutti கட்டிக்கோங்க. அந்த வாய்ஸ் கேட்கும். 1 2 cut, 2 cut. Here we have to take here we have to cut 1 2 cut. Here already cut is there, so no need to cut it. Here cut it 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So side is already cut, no need to cut it. So like this 1 2 1 2 एक दो రెండు two papers here to keep it to cut it so it saves time. రెండు మూడు వచ్చేటట్టు 1 2 saves time. So 1 2. So instead of cutting on one, you have to cut it in a proper order and you have to cut it. So it is a little difficult to cut, even though you have to cut it. Everything to set it 1 2. And the dupatta tie up so that we have to watch the model. Model should be come up to our eyesight. கண்ணுக்கு முதல்ல அடி துப்பட்டா ஒரு கழுத்தில் தொங்க போட்டு விட்டாலும் வீட்டுக்காரு ஐசைடு another standard. No one found it in the world. ऐसा कला में दुपट्टा का ऐसा बांध दो, ऐसे मॉडल बीच में रखो बांध दो, ऐसा आराम से हम लोग शूटिंग कर देगा. एडजस्ट लाइक दिस यू हैव टू सी दैट. मैंने तो दुपट्टा अच्छे एडजस्ट करने की करी है ताकि अगर दुपट्टा कटिना வந்து ஷூட்டிங் எடுக்கலாம். 1 2 ஸோ 1 2 1 2. This also you have to cut it. This you have to cut it into similar to that, similar. So according to the cannot cut it under, but it is same. 1 2 1 2. Okay, so you have to cut it 5% maybe less, maybe less. So cut it on this area similar to carvarnal. Let it be. It's also don't be wasted. So cutting के waste आने का बना 1 2 1 2. cut it waste आता है waste. So उनको सारे even function can make it very poor ऐसा condition में customer को पैसा ला तो इधर explain करना decorate करना explain करना पाला होती decorate करने के लिए. Okay, so you have to using the thread. You have to make it. The thread is not there, so your earphone is not working. So that will be, you have to take a thread. You have to make it. Thread is not there fully, so you have to use a method to tie up to. You have to tie up like this. So you have to just start the area of learning how to use it. Or other ways you can use this method to tie up. இது வந்து இப்படி வச்சு இப்படி எடுத்தா வந்துடும். See that it is come. So you have to tie up all the thread. Don't waste the money. You take all father will give her money, then only I will buy it outside. Other things are better. You take all father anything already subscribe आने का पैसा उड़ता आराम इंडिया करके का. So you have to keep it like this, or you have to keep it like this, or you can rotate it also. So this is better, you have to rotate also, or just you have to keep it like this also. This also nice. So So you have to make it like a paper cover like. You have to make a paper cover like. So nicely it looks like a Kanakambara flower. Both sides you have to cut it into square or rectangle of same size, and you have to make it like this. You have to make it like so ready the function also. Is that are you have to put it in our houses. Everyone decorating it online. Like this, after making it, you have to pull it to the place அழகாக இருக்குது. ஓகே டைம்னால வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் இருந்து இந்தியாவில் விட்டுச்சு. So it is gone, then make it very. So you have to make it like this, and you have to mix it, and you have to fold it so doesn't come. And அது சுற்றி விட்டுருங்க. சுற்றி விட்டு அதாவது அதே டைம் வந்து bring the thread. உங்களுக்கு கொண்டு வரேன். Then you have to make